Our favourite service with Virtual Tour Creator would have to be the 360 virtual tours, as we use it in our marketing package, which allows every property to have a virtual tour. The Virtual Tour Creator app allows me to complete virtual tour at the property, which then gives me more time when I'm back at the office. Virtual Tour Creator allows us to make floor plans out of the virtual tours. We use object removal with Virtual Tour Creator as it allows us to present a property that may be cluttered, not as easy to market, and we can send the photos away, and within 24 hours we have the property photos back and we can put it straight on the internet ready to use. We use Virtual Tour Creator to make our virtual tour walkthroughs. We use it for floor plans and object removal. We started using Virtual Tour Creator during COVID times when it was harder to inspect a property in person, and we've continued utilising it since COVID. Hi, I'm Courtney. I work for HillSea Real Estate. I work as the media marketing guru, as I like to call myself. I do all our videos, virtual tours, and attend the property. I work alongside the photographer. I would recommend Virtual Tour Creator as it's easy to use. It's pretty much a one-stop shop. We can do object removal, floor plans, and virtual tours all in one go, and the program is super easy to use.